Hi guys. So how are you doing wherever you are? With the new challenge in COVID, the new variant, we are now required to do home tests or walk to the nearest hospital and do our tests, and for your children before they attend school every Sunday by 8 p.m. So today we bought our home kit and did the tests for the kids, and this is a good way to try and curb the spread. Despite all these things have to continue running, schools have to continue running, churches, malls. So this is a way, and I'm encouraging it, to do home tests, or it will help reduce the spread of COVID. This is a new way of trying to curb the spread of COVID. So there are new ways that the government is coming up with, people to continue observing social distancing and getting the vaccine, doing the tests. Yeah, we will be able to, we will win over COVID. COVID will not stop us. So I'll show you basic thing how to do the test at home, and after doing the tests, we are required to send the tests by filling in a Google form to school. Yeah, it's not that difficult. The kit comes with a manual. It has even pictures to show you how to go about it. But basically this Korean, I've translated most of it, and we have been able to do the tests and send the results to school, and we are glad they are negative. They'll be able to go to school tomorrow and continue with their studies. Yeah, I'm so glad that this can be done at home through BioCredit COVID-19 AG home test. No, so this is what you use. But there's all the steps and directions and what you're supposed to do, but I'll show it practically. So yeah, that is it guys. So let's go and do the tests. This I'm doing it on myself, but I've already done for the kids and sent out the results. We thank God for the far He has brought us. We are safe. We have done all that we can, but we always pray that God will help us, to protect us from this dangerous virus. And the far we have come, many have passed on, and we are not special in any way. We have lost many of us, many are sick, but by His grace and mercy we are still alive and well. And I don't take any pride. It's just to thank God. For sure, it's just to thank God and to ask Him to continue guiding us and protecting us. There's nothing more than that. God will fight for us. He will do what He will do as our God, our Almighty God. So that is it guys. Let's go do the test. This is the BioCredit COVID-19 AG home test nasal. This is what is contained in the pack, and this you have to do Then I open up this and remove my tube. Is it a tube? Yeah. To take my sample from the nose. Here it is. So you put it in your nose like 2 centimeters in and rotate like this. It's a bit uncomfortable. Then on the other nose, rotate. Then after that, you get your this reagent or something like that. Hey, my nose is very irritated. You open up like this. Sorry, my nose is irritated. Then you dip like that and break the upper part. Then there is the lid. You close it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you come to your this part. You open it up. Then on this part, that's where you pour your solution. Then put some drops. And wait for 15 to 30 minutes. So we place here and leave it for like 15 to 30 minutes. Now we have waited for the 30 minutes, and you can see there is a C and a T. If your line comes at C, you're safe. If it comes at T, you have COVID. So guys, hope this helps someone to do a home test, or for himself, herself, or the children, or anyone who want to do a home test. Thank you.